Hoover hitting grand slams on and off the field. Today, the official announcement, SEC baseball is staying at the Met.
WVTM 13's Bryce Oslin tells us about this deal and the decision to stay.
This is a significant milestone. It's more than just a contract extension.
The city of Hoover will host the annual SEC baseball tournament for the next 4 years. Hoover Mayor Frank Brocato says the organizations are swinging to keep baseball fans happy.
And it's a testament to the incredible partnership that has grown between our city and the Southeastern Conference and the passionate fans who travel from all across the country to see this classic event.
The Hoover Met has hosted the SEC baseball tournament for more than 2 decades.
We need more of what college sports does in our country to bring people together. We need more of what college baseball does here in Hoover.
SEC Commissioner Greg Sankey says the conference looks to expand in Hoover.
We need more of those moments that bring people together, and so we're here because we bring people together, and we'll have the opportunity to continue that. And we never want to be complacent.
More than $24 million has been used to upgrade the facility. Brocato says experiencing a tournament game in the stadium is priceless.
But to the fans, we really can't wait to welcome you back this year. And over the next 4 years, we promise to continue a great tradition and a wonderful tournament.
In Hoover, Bryce Oslin, WVTM 13.
The Jefferson County